Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Good morning. Hope you are fine. Today is our first guided assessment and it carries 5 marks. The topic of our guided assessment is comparing numbers. We have done the work regarding comparing numbers in our previous lesson, and today you will do challenge book page number 22. So get ready, take out a challenge book page number 22 and you will do your guided assessment on this page. Learning objective: students will be assessed through guided assessment. Now anticipation. Question: how many tens and ones are there in each of these numbers? Here are some 2-digit numbers and you will find out tens and ones in each number. Tens and ones. So get ready. Look at the first number, it is 54. And for finding the tens and ones, we will put the place value first on each number or each digit. So start from the right side digit. As you know, when we have to put the place value, we always start from the right side digit. So in this number 54, 4 is on the right side. So we'll put the first value on 4. And the first value in mathematics is, yes, ones. So we will write capital O for ones. The next digit after 4 is 5. So we'll put the next value after ones on 5. The next value after ones is tens. And we will write capital T for tens. In this number 54, there are 4 ones and 5 tens. 5 tens means 50 and 4 are ones. Next number is 67. Again put the values first. The right side digit is 7. Put the first value on 7 and that is ones. So write capital O for ones. The next digit is 6. Write the second value, that is tens. Put T on 6 for tens. In this number 67, there are 7 ones and 6 tens. Now the next number 50. Again put the value first to find out how many tens and ones in this number. So put O, capital O, on the first right side digit, that is 0. And put T on the second digit, that is 5 for tens. So in this number 50, there are 5 tens and 0 ones, or 0 ones and 5 tens. The last number, it's 86. Again a 2-digit number. Put the values on the right side digit 6. Put O, capital O for ones. On the next digit 8. Put the second value, that is tens. Put T for tens. So in this number 86, there are 6 ones and 8 tens. In this way, you will put the place value on numbers. Remember that when you have to find the tens or ones on any digit, you will put the place value first. So it will be easy to find out the exact place value of the number or digit. Now we are moving towards our comparing number. Comparing means to compare numbers. Which one is smaller or which one is greater? And have you remembered the signs we have used in the previous lesson? Greater than and less than signs, mostly used in mathematics. Now, let me tell you more about comparing numbers. Compare and order numbers by comparing the tens digits first. You only need to compare the ones if both numbers have the same tens digit. So, when you are comparing numbers, you always start from the tens digit. When you are comparing 2-digit numbers. But if the two tens sides, then tens in both numbers are same, then you go for ones and compare them. So this is a very key point regarding comparing numbers. So keep it in mind when you are doing your guided assessment. Now we are moving towards our day and date slide. Please write your day and date in this way. On the extreme left top, write Monday. In the center, classwork. On the right side top, you will write 18th January, 2021. And write your day and date on challenge book page number 22. After writing day and date, look at this page. This is the description here, but I am giving you a different task here. You will do this task in this space. I'm giving you some number bank here with the signs, symbols of greater than and smaller, and you'll make number sentences and put the signs between them. And I will guide you how to do this. Only you will follow my numbers. You can take numbers from my number bank and make number sentences here. So get ready. Get ready for this task. I have a plain blank page here so I can explain you how to do your guided assessment. Here are some numbers: 25, 67, 42, 33, 98, 25, 44, 26, 57, 81, 10, 19, smaller than sign, greater than sign. So these number cards will help you to make number sentences. First you make the number sentences and then you will put the greater than and smaller than sign. So suppose I'm choosing one number from this number bank, and suppose I'm choosing 57. So I will write 57. I will write 57. Then I put a box. Then I will choose one more number here, and I am going to choose 26 here. Okay. So I'm making my number sentence. This is my number sentence. 57 box 26, and I have choose these numbers from this number bank. Now I will compare these numbers. In this way you will do your task. You will make a number sentence like this, then you will compare them and write your greater than smaller than sign in this box. So first what you will do, after making the number sentence, you will put the place value on both sides numbers. Look at the first number is 57. So find out the ones and tens in this number. So start from the right side digit. The right side digit is 7. So I will put the first value, that is ones, on 7. And for this I will write capital O. The next digit after 7 is 5, and the next value after ones is tens. So I will put T on tens. So in my number 57, 7 is ones and 5 is tens. And this number is 57. Now look at the second number, 26. First put the value. Look at the right side digit. The right side digit is 6. So put the first value, that is ones. So put capital O on 6. The next digit is 2. So put the next value after ones, that is tens. So put T on 2. So in this number 26, 6 are ones and 2 are tens. Now my number sentence in my number sentence I have put the values, and now it is easy for me to compare them. So you will do in this way. You will put two numbers from here, choose the number cards, write them in this way, make a square box in between them, and then you will put the place values first. Then you will find out which sign will come here, greater than or smaller than. So I know that this number has 5 tens and 7 ones, and this number has 6 ones and 2 tens. So it will easy for me to compare, to find out 57 is greater than 26 or 57 is smaller than 26. So you can do the way. I am not putting the sign here because this is your task and you will do it. Now again, and you have to make 5 sentences, number sentences, because this guided assessment contains 5 marks. It carries 5 marks. So please make 5 number sentences. I made my first one. Now I made my second one. For example, I am choosing now number 33. So I am writing number 33 here. Then I am making a box. Now I am choosing 10, or I will choose 44 in last. So I am choosing first 44. I make my second number sentence here. So after making my second number sentence, again I will put the place value first. Please do in this way. Please follow my pattern. It will be easy for you to find out how to make the number sentences and how to put the correct symbol. Now my first number is 33. Again I will put the place value. I will start from the right side digit, that is 3, and the next digit is also 3. On the right side 3, I will put O for ones. The next digit is again 3, and I will put T for tens. So this number has 3. Let me write it again. This number 33 has 3 ones and 3 tens. Now look at the next number, 44. Now again put the values first. On the right side digit 4, put O for ones. The next digit is again 4, put T for tens on the next digit. And now you will compare them. So in 33, there are 3 ones and 3 tens. In 44, there are 4 ones and 4 tens. Now we'll compare these two numbers. Which one is greater and which one is smaller? Is 33 is smaller than 44, or is 33 is greater than 44? Then you put these signs. Choose which one is the correct sign, which one is suitable here. Then draw the sign here, or write this sign in this box. Now I have done my 2 sentences, number sentences. Now I am going for my third one. Now I am choosing 81 and 10. So I am writing 81 and 10. Again, after making my third number sentence, I will put the values. You will do in this way. Please remember that. Do it very neatly, and you will do it in this space. Here are, on this page, there are a lot of space here. And you will make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 number sentences here. So do you work on this space. Now I have made my third number sentence. Now I'm putting the place value. The first number is 81, and on the right side digit is 1, so I'm putting O for ones. The next digit is 8, I'm putting T for tens. So this number 81 has 1 ones and 8 tens. The next digit is 10, and again I will put the place value first. On the right side digit, that is O, I'm going to put O for ones. And the next digit is 1, I will put T for tens. So this number has 0 ones and 1 tens. Now compare them and find out which sign or symbol will come here. Is 81 greater than 10, or is 81 greater than smaller than 10? And according to that, you will put the symbol here. Is greater than or is greater or smaller than sign will come here. You will choose it and write it here. Now my fourth number sentence here. Again, I will choose 2 numbers from here. Please try to choose different numbers from this number bank. And you can also write your number bank at the side of your page. Then you will make your number sentences. Please draw lines. First 5 lines very neatly, and then make 5 number sentences here. And you can draw your number bank at side. Please use my number bank. I am giving you a task, and you have to do this task in my way. Now I have choose my many numbers here from this number bank. Now I am choosing 98 and I am choosing 19. So I am writing here 19 box 98. Again, the second thing we will do is to put the values. Look at this number 19. Start from the right side digit, that is 9. Put the first value ones, write O for ones on 9. The next digit is 1. Put T for tens. So this number 19 has 9 ones and 1 tens. Now look at the next number 98. Again, put the place value first. On the right side digit, put the right side digit 8. Put O for ones. The next digit is 9. Put T for tens. So in this digit number 98, 8 is 1 and 9 is tens. Now compare them. Remember, you have to start comparing from the tens digit. First compare the tens, and if the tens are same, then you go for ones. Now I'm making my fifth one number sentence. Again, I'm choosing two numbers from this number bank. Now I'm choosing 67 and I'm choosing which one number? 81. 67. Which number is left? 67 and 10. 10 is done. 67 and 42. Now I'm choosing 42 and 67. When you make the number sentence, after making the number sentence, please put the place value first. So it will be easy for you to find out which symbol will come in this box. Again, my first number is 42. So I put the place value first. On the right side digit 2, I will put O for ones. The next digit is 4. I will put the second value, that is tens. So I put T here for tens. In this number 42, there are 2 ones and 4 tens. Look at the number 67. The right side digit is 7. So I am putting O for ones. The next digit is 6. I am putting T for tens. So in this number 67, 7 ones and 6 tens. Now compare them. Is 42 greater or smaller than 67, or 67 greater or smaller than 42? And then put the signs greater than and smaller than. And do you remember, the greater than sign means the open side is towards the greater one and the pointed side is always towards the smaller number. So do your task very carefully and very neatly. Please, again, I'm telling you, draw 5 lines here, then make 5 number sentences. Write this number bank at the side. Write your symbols also here. Then you can make your number sentences and put the symbols in the given in your boxes that you have made between two numbers. And it contains 5 marks. It carries 5 marks. Each number sentence carries 1 mark. So total marks are 5. Now we are winding up our lesson. Plenary. Arrange the numbers in order from the greatest to the smallest. Here are two digit numbers. First number is 16, second is 38, then 24, then 65. And you have to arrange them from the greatest to the smallest. Again, we have to compare them and then we will arrange them. So for comparing, what we will do first? Yes, we will put the place value first. The first number is 16 and the right side digit is 6. So we'll put O for ones and T for tens here. And the next digit is, let me write it neatly, T4 on ones. So this number has 6 ones and 1 tens. Look at the next number 38. Again put the place value first. On the right side digit 8 put O. On 3 put T because the second number. So this number has 8 ones and 3 tens. Now next number is 24. And right side digit is 4. Start from right side. Put O for ones on 4 and put T for tens on 2. The last number is 65. Again put the place value first. The right side digit is 5. Put O for tens and put 6. Put T on 6 for tens. So this number 65 has 5 ones and 6 tens. Now compare them. As we are going to start from the greatest side. Choose the greatest tens here. Which one is the greatest tens here? Yes, 6. It means 65 is the greatest number. So we'll write it first. Now we have done 65. So mark it. That's why I have marked it. Now, after 65, now compare these three. 16, 38 and 24. Now, in these three, which one is the greatest now? Which one tens is greatest? 1, 10, 3, 10 or 2 tens? Yes, 3 tens. So the second number is 38. Now we have done. Again, I mark it. Now we have 2 numbers left, 16 and 24. Compare these 2 numbers. Which one is the greatest? 110 or 2 tens? Yes, 210 is the greater than 110. So I'm writing 24 here. Because 24 has 2 tens. Now the last one is 16. It has 1 10 and 6 ones. So the smallest is 16 and the greatest is 65. So in this way, we will have to arrange from greatest to smallest. It's a very simple way. Always remember, you will always compare from the greater value. Now, This is it. Take care of yourselves. Inshallah, we'll meet in the next guided assessment. Allah Hafiz. Thank you.